2 weeks, 100 hours of coding per week, all leading up to this single moment. They say the biggest risks lead to the biggest rewards. But what happens when you decide to completely pivot your AI startup's direction with one massive pull request? I'm about to merge the biggest PR in my life. This could either revolutionize oona, or it could break everything I've been building. This is the story of how one engineer's vision turned into 2 weeks of non-stop coding, endless debugging, and a complete transformation of my startup future. And it's all about to happen right now. So the pivot is about expanding what oona can do. After months and months of having this YouTube channel, I run tons of A/B testing, design hundreds of thumbnails. All this effort is to understand the YouTube algorithm. And the more I understand it, I even read the scientific paper on how they design the algorithm, all the technologies and machine learning, AI techniques that they're using. The more I understand the key factors that contributes to a successful video. People often think that YouTube algorithm changes all the time. What they don't understand is the foundation of the algorithm is always the same. What changes is the weight of the attributes. They even A/B test the algorithm itself. That's why you make a kick-ass content that used to work, all of a sudden it stopped working. Sometimes when you have a great thumbnail and title that generates really good click-through rates, it still flops. Even though click-through rate is still very important, but it's only part of the picture. That is the new challenge oona is tackling. Now I'm on my way to meet a film director. The oona 2.0 do 3 things. Number 1, we help you package your video so that YouTube algorithm have enough context to understand and promote to the right viewers at the right time. Number 2, we give you insight on retention to keep your viewers watching. And number 3 is to get your click-through rate up with oona's lightning fast A/B testing. Unlike test and compare, oona can get your result in just 2 hours. The best part is oona finds a statistical winner, so you won't make the wrong choice ever again. Backed by real-time data. I was just about to say it feels nice to be outside, and then it started raining. Typical German winter. So now the groundwork for the new pivot is done. I will implement a wait list for the new signups to join, come up with the concept to promote the new oona 2.0. There are also new things I need to add to oona, so a lot to work on. Unfortunately, we don't accept everyone to the program. Great. Let's see. What? I'm in? I applied for a startup program. It's called Zerobase. I just got an email about my application result. Wow, this is cool. So I'm expecting a lot of building, very intense 6 weeks from zero to having a prototype and something to show for. One thing that's different is probably the pitch session to the investors at the end of the program. I think it's very exciting. I haven't been pitching for quite some time. Gonna be nerve-wracking, but a very good learning opportunity. I've been coding and developing product for 11-12 years now. I've tried so many different ways, processes to be productive and also to build meaningful things. One thing that helps me the most is to think about the end first. Before writing a line of code or touch the design files, I will jump to the end and think about the outcome. What is it that I'm building and what kind of impact I want to achieve? Take this pivot for example. What I did was thinking about what was the end goal? How do I want to make people feel when using oona? It's similar to think about the problem statement, but you sort of zoom in a little bit more, higher fidelity, thinking about where do you want to position yourself in the market. Most importantly, how to talk about your product. I'm not the only one thinking this way. At Amazon, internally, they use press release as a documentation, the main way of communication. I'll share the link in the description. Super helpful method. I started doing press release a few years back when I was working in companies. Whatever I do, I think about the outcome first. I think about how to communicate what I'm about to build to the stakeholders, to the teams, and how to bring people on board. It's serving me well, so just want to share that with you. Once I got the press release down, I will start designing the look and feel, the user interaction, and then it's time to build. Moment of truth. I did the data migration yesterday, so hopefully it will go smoothly. Oh sh**. It looks alright. There's a little bug here. I'm actually running a test. This should show me the status of the test. I'll have to fix it, but overall it looks okay. I'm just very happy I didn't break anything. But now I have to fix a bug. Here we go.
On the estate, big dreaming, grey skies but we breaking ceilings. Never showed me what I deserved in this game, that just hurt my feelings. They telling us putting more hours, planted a seed with a rust on my flowers. Showers, hard times, shaking it off, front of the line now. Main dish, bread on the side now. Bad mind, see that you lied now. True self, that's where you hide now. Locked in, nowhere to sign out. Had to work in that 05 Corsa, murking a track man quicker than Forza. Never needed it all to survive in this life, my journey just break me a quarter. Shoot your shot, stack the lot. We grind so we taking off. Good life so it's paying off. Shoot your shot, stack the lot. We grind so we taking off. Good life so it's paying off. On my grind, pestle and mortar. I'm proud of my only daughter. Want a big red ribbon around the yard, I can hold her hand and tell her that I bought her. You can't ignore us, I'ma tell you again that chorus. Got a king of a man, he's flawless. Man, a big boss does everything for us. Everything happening, everything blessed. More of a doer, so let me say less. Speak from my heart, so I say it with chest. Been rock bottom, been swimming with nets. Been swimming with sharks, I'm doing alright. Been eating